This video introduces a tool called the Work Plan Tool for Proposals, or WorPT. WorPT is a Google Sheet with an attached script. To use this tool, you fill out information over a couple of pages within the worksheet, defining your proposed project. Press a button, and about a dozen LaTeX tables are generated and ready to be incorporated into your proposal. If you write your proposals using Overleaf, you can even set up a communication link between WorPT and Overleaf to keep the files updated. Let's see how these WorPT products end up looking when incorporated into actual proposal documents. Here's an example of a dual anonymous proposal. This WorPT table lists milestones and main tasks involved in the proposed project along with their associated timelines. This anonymized WorPT table shows the full-time equivalent level of effort assigned to each task role. Work effort that is funded by this proposal or by other sources is indicated. This travel budget table provides detailed assumptions showing how the annual per-trip cost was estimated for both domestic and international travel. This table shows all the non-labor costs, including a rolled-up summary of the travel we just saw detailed in the previous table. Now let's look at a not anonymized section. This entire section providing a narrative of team roles comes straight from a WorPT-generated file. In contrast to the anonymized version that you saw earlier, this table gives an overview of project tasks and identifies team members by name. This table in the Personnel and Work Effort section explicitly calls out names, but otherwise is identical to the anonymous version we saw in the Science Justification section. The entire Biographical Sketches section is generated by WorPT as a single file that can be included in the proposal document. WorPT also generates the entire current and pending funding section. The information used in both the Biographical Sketches section and this section is consolidated from individual spreadsheets that are assigned to each team member, where they can access and update as their funding status and other professional information evolves. This resource-loaded task table is my personal favorite, showing the list of tasks with detailed timelines, assigned team members, along with their individual level of effort per task. The WorPT products include this table, which is formatted specifically to meet the HST Phase 2 budget proposal solicitation requirements. Let's now summarize the general features of the WorPT products. The files fall into two categories. Anonymized files reference team members only by their role and are suitable for inclusion in proposals that are reviewed by a dual anonymous process. On the other hand, non-anonymized files identify team members by name and are generally included only in the reject of anonymous reviewed proposal. Independent of providing identifying information, the files cover 6 different elements of information essential to a robustly justified grant proposal science project and its associated budget. These files collectively cover non-labor, science team background, project tasks, along with their associated timelines and team member responsibilities, and the involved level of effort, racked and stacked in different formats, including per person, per task, and per year tally. At the time of the making of this video, WorPT produces nearly a dozen LaTeX files. Some proposals might need only a small subset of these products, while other proposals might benefit from using all of them. No matter which files you end up choosing to incorporate into your own project, WorPT will keep all the files updated as you develop milestones, schedule, and team membership for your proposal so that you can focus on the science.